If you own a cleaning business and you want to scale it up, there's only 3 things that you need to know. The first thing is that you have to have enough customers coming in order to create enough revenue for you to do the second thing, which is to hire employees. Unless you want to get stuck in your cleaning business going out and cleaning forever, you're going to need to hire employees to go out and do the cleaning for you. So you need to have enough customers coming in order to create enough revenue to hire the employees that you need. Those are the first 2 things. The third thing is you need to have the right systems in place to track all of this and make sure that it's operating profitably. So you need systems for a couple of things. You need systems for your marketing. You need systems for hiring and training employees and making sure they're doing a great job when they're out serving your customers. You need systems to track all of that and make sure that everything is profitable, that you're not spending too much money on marketing or too much money on employees or too much money on, equipment or supplies. You need systems in place to track all of that. And you need to be tracking all of it so that you can actually scale this thing up, because companies that are not profitable have a hard time scaling up. Companies that have too much profit are probably not scaling quickly enough. They're not using the money that they have in order to grow their business. They're just sitting back and collecting their profits, and that's not a good thing either. So those systems are vital. So you need enough customers coming in to pay all the bills so you can hire employees and pay them well too, right? And then you also need systems to track all of this and help it run smooth. So I hope this is helpful. I'm Reuben with BookCleaningJobs. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll talk to you later.